Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about PlayStation. In this video guys, I'm going to share with you that how actually I got PlayStation Plus for free. Are you ready to see something insane? Then watch here in my background. I'm here on my PlayStation, and as you can see, I'm just putting a code guys, and this code got activated successfully and gave me a 12-month subscription for free. So if you want to learn how to do this guys, then watch the video until the end. I'm going to share all the steps I did for myself so you can be able to do it also you on your own. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to grab your phone in your hand. It doesn't matter what kind of phone it is. It can be iOS, it can be Android. The steps actually are going to be the same. The next step is to go to internet browser and search about this website called lulucoupons.com. Once you go into enter, you have a lot of other things which you can check later. You can use the searching bar, or you can just scroll it down and you're going to find it easier. Over here, press it. Now press show coupon code. You just need to wait a few seconds guys, so the circle to get complete until the end. Once it's going to be done, it's going to take you to the next page and it's going to show you that the code is actually locked. So you need to press the button down. The next step is going to require you to complete a little task in order to unlock the code for free. It's very simple to do it guys, you just need to read the instructions. It says download the complete 2 apps below to unlock PlayStation Plus promo code. If you have a node, do not use VPN or proxy. If you are using an VPN or proxy, just turn it off before so you don't have any interruption. So down below you're going to find this list of the apps which you need to choose 2 apps from the list to complete as a task. All the apps are for free, you don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are coming from official stores, from App Store or Play Store. So all you need to do, you just need to read the instructions and to find which app is the easiest one so you don't lose too much time on them. Once you're going to choose which one you want to do it, you just need to press on it. It shows instruction what you have to do. Unlock now. It's going to take you to App Store if you're using an iPhone, or Play Store if you're using an Android device. Once you're going to get connected with your official store, the first thing you need to do is to download the app. After you download the app, you need to complete the task required as per description. So when you finish with the first one, you go back, do the second app, and then you're going to be able to unlock the code, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'll just complete both of the apps real quick, and then I'll come back to show you how to unlock the code. I'll not record the whole process because it will make the video too long. Once I'm done with the apps, I'm going to show you the next step. So here we are guys, I just completed both of the apps. I did these 2 over here, and now how to unlock the code. You go back one more time over here. After you finish with the task, come back one more time over here, and then down below you're going to find this button to take you back. For iPhones is here, for Android you should have it here to take you back. You press it, and then as you can see, the code guys get unlocked. If you try to get back immediately without completing the task, the code is going to show locked again. Or if you didn't complete the task correctly as per description, the code is going to show locked again. So pay a little bit of attention to the description so you don't make any mistake. So this code guys is unused one, and it's going to be a gift for my first viewer. For the rest of you, you just need to complete the steps I showed you. You're going to be able to do it as well. So this is it guys in short words. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help with everything you need. See you in the next videos. Cheers.